Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a user account on your Windows 11 computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnifying glass down your system taskbar and type in Control Panel. Best result should go back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then scroll down and select user accounts. Go ahead and left click on it to open it up. Select where it says manage another account. Select the account you want to delete and then select delete the account. So before they delete this account, Windows can automatically save the contents of their desktop and documents, favorites, music, pictures, and videos to a new folder called, which is their username, on your desktop. However, Windows cannot save their email messages and other settings. If you want to delete, go for it. Otherwise, you can select keep files. I'm going to just select delete account, and that's it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.